There is a thunderstorm going on here in Metairie, 15 minutes away from the city of New Orleans, and it's been raining on and off. It looks like it's going to keep raining, and I don't know how to say it, but the last two very bad thunderstorms that happened, where there were tornado watches. There was a tornado watch for each one of those. I noticed that a lot of the seagulls are not showing up. So I don't know what happened to them. I've been trying to find out through the library, searching the newspapers, but see how it's really raining a little bit harder now. And this is so sad. I'm very upset over that because they had a group of seagulls that were showing up around the area of Lakeside Mall, M-A-L-L, Lakeside Mall, and also by the Walmart way down there on Veterans Boulevard by Kenner. And that flock of seagulls is also not showing up. They may have one or two seagulls, and it's very sad, very sad. It's very, very sad. I don't know what happened to them. I hate to imagine what could have happened. So these thunderstorms, with all this rain and tornadoes, can be very dangerous for people and for birds and animals. So that's all for now. I just wanted to say that. The rain keeps coming down on the rooftops. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but this is all for now. Thank you for watching. This is Sasha saying thank you and bye for now.